So one of the great things about K Properties and Investments and the www.kpi1031.com marketplace is our investors are getting to see offerings for 1031 exchange, for 721 exchange, for cash investments from over 25 different sponsor companies. So you really get to see, in essence, the majority of the market of available opportunities, and you get to compare and contrast. One of the examples of one of the offerings that we had on the marketplace, it was actually from a sister company of K Properties, and I'm also the founder of Cove Capital Investments. The asset was a dark dollar store. So it was a dollar store that had ceased operations. They're no longer operating at the property. And we looked at it and we found out that the seller was the estate of a high net worth, very wealthy investor that had amassed a portfolio of 20 or so dollar stores. And so there was distress there. There was distress because it was a dark location. We saw it as an incredible acquisition opportunity for our Cove investors, and we purchased the asset for $654,000. So it's a smaller asset, but at a 14% initial cap rate. From there, we went into our asset management, proactive asset management of the asset. We were able to simultaneously initiate a lease buyout with the dollar store, and this is a national operator of dollar stores, one of the biggest, if not the biggest, a lease buyout for $114,000 approximately, while simultaneously entering into a contract to advantageously sell the same asset, that property, to a large national auto parts distributor. Okay, so when we went to contract for $705,000, so a combination of the rental income, of the lease buyout, as well as tenant reimbursements and sale of the property, we were able to close and generate off that $654,000 initial investment for our investors, $1,216,000 of proceeds, total cash proceeds. So it turned out over a 4.67-year hold period, an average annualized return of 17.55% for our investors in that offering. So, that's one of the benefits of K Properties. You get to see offerings from all different sponsor companies, 25 different sponsors for 1031, for DST, 721, as well as cash investments, as well as our sister company, Cove Capital Investments, and can compare and contrast which ones make the most sense for you and your situation. Give us a call. Go to www.kpi1031.com. From there, we'll walk through your situation. We'll walk you through the potential pros, the potential cons, the risk factors of investing, and we'll see if we can help you out.